Notice that these triangles are right triangles, so they have a congruent 90-degree angle, and they also are marked as having a congruent acute angle in the bottom right. That means the triangles are similar by the angle-angle similarity theorem. Alright, so we're supposed to find the height of the tree, which is this dimension there. And that corresponds to this person's dimension in this picture, who's 5 feet 8 inches tall. 5 feet 8 inches. Now notice that the measurements are all in feet. So we can't have a measurement in feet, and then feet in inches. So let's convert 5 feet 8 inches into feet so that all the dimensions will be in feet. Alright, we know that 1 foot is 12 inches. So how many feet is 8 inches? Well, we can actually set up a proportion for that. If 1 feet is 12 inches, then how many feet is 8 inches? Or you could say if 12 inches is 1 foot, then 8 inches is how many feet? We will write the equal sign and cross multiply. 8 times 1 is 8. 12 times x is 12x. So dividing both sides by 12, we get that x is 8/12, and 8/12 reduces to 2/3 because 4 divides into 8 twice, and 4 divides into 12 3 times. Or in other words, 1/4 times 8 is 2, and 1/4 times 12 is 3. And if you're multiplying by 1/4 over 1/4, we all know that anything divided by itself is 1. So we're multiplying by 1, and we didn't change the value, we just reduced the lowest terms. So that's 2/3 of a foot. 8 inches is 2/3 of a feet. And that makes sense because we all know that 1 foot is 12 inches. So if we look at 8 inches, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 inches is 1/3 of a foot. So 8 inches is 1/3, and another third, 4 and 4 is 8. 8 inches is 2/3 of a foot. So there it is conceptually, and here it was as a proportion. So let's change this measurement to 5 2/3 feet. Alright, now we can set up our proportion using corresponding ratios. H corresponds to 5 2/3, just as 27 corresponds to 3. To solve this, we'll write the equal sign out and cross multiply. 3 times h is equal to 27 times 5 2/3.